Shalom is Hafiz Country lesson. First, I want to say is that like the topic's gonna be is how to start a fire in a snowstorm and an important topic. First, I want to give is all honor, all praise and fear to Yahweh because He's the one who walks up to the truth. Truth. All right. First I want to start with because I say because like the topic was like I heard from brother's video. They said see how they starting a door to door thing for the whole jab for the whole thing. They said they going door to door in residence in Seattle. I said expect that shit to spread, but it may spread even next month or the month after that. How it's gonna spread. Alright, this is Jeremiah 30 and 7. Alas for that day is great, for none is like it. It is even in time of Jacob's trouble, but he shall be saved out of it. And also one thing I'm gonna give a shout out to like Calvin Israel. I mean he should have said that vaccines may have the whole virus in it. So and got me that's pretty true as well. Alright, but now let's get back to the main top video. Just can't hear. Hold up. Turn up. See part one. That's advanced tool. If you don't have access to something like that, try to use a knife. Then try to use a strong knife on this little tree. Because not everybody's rich, have money like that. It's advanced. Go with ads. Two in a row. I remember it used to only just be one some years ago. Mm. Hmm. It's 4 or 5. 5 big branches and a little branch. 6 little branches. Okay, so I'm just say, so it's us. So it's like several of the small tree sticks, and also branch right from other trees. All right. Okay, okay. It's still part 1. First, someone say, "Give all honor, all praises, and fear to Yahweh, because He won't work the truth." And with that, Shalom.